In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate apps with Sprout Social. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect an external app to Sprout, approve access securely, choose what data flows in, and start benefiting from the integration right away. First, open Sprout Social and head to your settings. From there, go to Account and Settings. You'll usually find this in the main navigation or under your profile area. This is the control center for how Sprout behaves across your organization, and it's where all connection workflows begin. Next, click Integrations. Depending on your account layout, this may appear directly or live under a section called Global Features. If you don't see it immediately, look along the left-hand menu or use the Settings search to jump to Integrations. This page houses the full library of tools you can connect to Sprout. Now, find the app you want to connect. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Many integrations are grouped by function, like Analytics, Customer Support, or Publishing. Before proceeding, make sure you have the right permissions in both Sprout and the external app. Admin or owner access is often required to complete a secure connection. When you've located the right app, click Connect or Add Integration. The wording can differ by provider, but they both launch the same secure connection flow. Sprout will redirect you to the external app to complete the handshake. Authenticate by logging into the external app and allowing Sprout to access it. This is typically an OAuth process, which means you're signing in directly with the provider, not sharing your password with Sprout. Review the requested permissions carefully, things like read access for Analytics or read and write access for Publishing, then approve. If your organization uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. After you're connected, configure your options. Choose which data to sync and define the permissions. For example, you might select specific profiles, pages, or workspaces to include, decide whether the integration is read-only or read and write, and set who on your team can use it. Pick only what you need to keep your workspace clean and focused. You can always revisit these choices later. Finally, save your settings and start using the integration. Look for confirmation in the Integrations page and then watch for new data or actions to appear in Sprout, such as synced metrics in reports or added functionality in the Smart Inbox or Publishing. If something doesn't look right, return to the configuration and adjust your selections. That's it. You've successfully integrated your app with Sprout Social.